My name is TIYA Agrawal and I'm a student of class 10th. I have enrolled in the foundation course at Aakash Institute of HSR Layout in Bangalore. As we all know that today the entire world is fighting against the COVID-19 pandemic. Despite such hard times, Aakash has been able to provide us with classes regularly. The ITT facility and the modules are both very informative. The test series provided by Aakash has been very helpful. The teachers at Aakash are constantly available to guide us and to clarify our queries. I am very glad to be a part of Aakash Institute that has helped me to continue with my classes despite the COVID-19 situation. Thank you, stay home, stay safe.